Upgrading your home is about more than just appearance. It's about comfort, efficiency, and how you experience your space every day. If you live in Metairie, installing new patio doors is one of the most impactful improvements you can make. With the region's warm climate and love for indoor-outdoor living, modern patio doors can transform both your home's function and its feel. One of the most noticeable benefits is the increase in natural light. Older patio doors often have smaller glass panels or become cloudy over time, limiting how much sunlight enters your home. New patio doors are designed with larger, clearer panes that allow sunlight to pour in, instantly making your living area feel brighter and more inviting. This not only enhances your mood but can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, helping you save on energy costs. Energy efficiency is another major advantage, especially in Metairie's hot and humid climate. Outdated patio doors may let cool air escape and allow heat and moisture to seep in, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. Modern patio doors are built with advanced insulation, double or triple pane glass, and tight seals that keep your indoor temperature stable. This means a more comfortable home year-round and lower monthly utility bills. Improved functionality is also a key reason homeowners choose to upgrade. Older doors can become difficult to open and close due to wear, warping, or damaged tracks. New patio doors glide smoothly, lock securely, and are designed for ease of use. Whether you're hosting guests, letting pets out, or simply enjoying your backyard, the convenience makes a noticeable difference in your daily routine. Security is another important consideration. Today's patio doors come with enhanced locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and stronger frames. These features provide better protection for your home and give you greater peace of mind. In an area like Metairie, where storms can also be a concern, many modern doors are built to withstand strong winds and flying debris, adding an extra layer of safety. Aesthetic appeal shouldn't be overlooked either. New patio doors can dramatically update the look of your home, both inside and out. With a variety of styles, such as sliding glass doors, French doors, or multi-panel systems, you can choose a design that complements your home's architecture and personal taste. Sleek frames and clean lines create a more modern appearance, while classic options add timeless charm. This upgrade not only enhances your enjoyment of your space but can also boost your home's resale value. Another benefit is the improved connection to your outdoor living area. In Metairie, where outdoor gatherings and backyard relaxation are part of the lifestyle, patio doors serve as a bridge between your indoor and outdoor spaces. New designs offer wider openings and better visibility, making it easier to entertain, keep an eye on children, or simply enjoy the view of your patio or garden. Finally, new patio doors require less maintenance. Older doors often need frequent repairs, repainting, or adjustments. Modern materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and treated aluminum are built to resist warping, fading, and corrosion. This means you'll spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. In the end, installing new patio doors in your Metairie home is a smart investment that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits. From enhanced comfort and energy savings to improved style and security, it's an upgrade that truly elevates your living experience.